Okay, I'm going to read this, as we're going to recap on Tesla. Okay, Tesla. What I want to mention, it hasn't Tesla hasn't changed. Okay, Tesla is still ranging in between the 400 and the 405. We talked about my support and resistance levels, um, because Tesla a is a real volatile stock. It moves. Um, Again, I've always keep saying, well, while AI is trading and all the traders are using AI, that means they're putting in their stop losses, and AI is basically able to see everybody's hand. Um, I've seen Tesla where it stopped out. I mean, from it wicked from all the way like $40 when this top all the way down to the past the support level, 425, and I think that was 450, 450 all the way down to 425. But anyway, I just want to share what this is what I posted on December 27th, and I said that Tesla would come in and retest the retest its support, and it will retest, open up, come down to 415, and then when 415, it dropped all the way down to 373. Okay. And then it came in and it held support, start creating higher lows around, but it couldn't get past 440. We've came into almost until current, and right now, it held 405 off off the 406 support. We're trying to see if Tesla is going to continue with this downtrend and retest 486, 399, 399, and then come up before earnings, or will it range between these before it drop? But right now we have one, two, three lower highs. This if it doesn't hold support, Tesla can drop down and retest 391. Okay, 391, 385. Uh, Again, we've I've we talked about that. Like I said, Tesla hasn't hit its its uh, target of 450, nor has it hit the target of 350. Okay, we just I just want to get you up to date. Nothing's changed. Our candles. Let's see, that's some artists them up here. Okay, we are still establishing where Tesla can go either way. Okay, because it has not hit any of uh, its levels. Okay, right now it's creating uh, higher lows. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. If Tesla cannot hold this support levels and it comes up, hits the come back and retest 373 and hit the support, Tesla can drop to 250. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Nothing's changed. You have to go back into the previous videos, and you'll see where um, I okay, that's MSTR. Sorry about that. Oh, you'll see. There we go. You'll see. This is So this is what I've showed and said that the low will be 405, that it will come down. It still, if it doesn't break through all and retest the high of 429, Tesla will go and retest the low of 405. This was on January 15th, where I posted it on our channel. Okay, my son's sports channel. I said if it holds support, it may make it back to 427. But if it doesn't hold that support, then you see it going down. Then it's 415. It came off of 415 and it dropped down to 405. Now you see that this isn't busy because Tesla been playing in between all these support and resistance levels. So let's see what happens on let's see, earnings. Earnings is coming up in another week or so. Is Tesla going to drop during earnings? Let's go back into 15-minute candles. Let's talk about supporting for uh, preseason. I mean pre-market to play out. But 161, if it holds 405 support and start creating higher highs during pre-market, it may go back up and retest 415 before it goes down. Okay. Or it may go down and retest the 373 level. Okay, this is the 30-minute. Okay. See this right here? This is the support we're talking about. It may come off in support off of this 390, 400, and then go up. So it may range, come up, drop, first half hour, hour. Let's look at the support and resistance. Right now, 399 will be, if it holds that support and continues, then you would buy your strike price between 405, 404, stay tight for it to see if it will come back up and retest. I say 402, 403, 405, because it may resist 410 and then come down. Okay, look at everything, and weigh all the weigh it all out. This is why I come in and and do on the weekends. It's no there's no distractions. There's no market, no panic. You just can just do your due diligence. And even if you're getting you know uh assigned to get uh stock tips or stock alerts, at least you're ready. Whether or not it's good. Your buy-in is good. Always always check. You don't have to, but what I'm teaching is what basically 98% of traders are failing to take notice to, and this is the candle of this 30-minute. If it doesn't, then it can come down and retest this pre-market and market support levels. Okay, that means I already have 1, 2, 3, and a market support. So this is where it can bounce off at 400, 395, and then come back up if it decides to do that. Okay, just watch out. I hope that's good enough. I'm not trying to take too much of your time. I'm fighting this here flu, But if it's just too fast and it's not clear, just let me know, okay? But I'm hoping that you get the picture of what I'm trying to show you, okay? So we did a 30-minute, we did the 15-minute, and we did the 5-minute, and then it's showing all on all time frames, okay? It's showing the same. And let's see what our 1 minute is looking like. 1 minute just gives me more detail of showing me a high. I still will, if I see the 1 minute, I will draw it off to 15 to the 15-minute candle. So if this was, say this is 3 o'clock, I will go to 315 and make a Fibonacci scale there and see what if it's looking the same. And it is, everybody's looking at support and resistance in the same area. Okay, let's get rid of that. But hey, babies, love, patience, analyze, control your emotions, let your aftermarket, pre-market, and market levels play out. Okay, um, just just look at it. And sometimes if it you see pre-market hit a double top, it may have already, if it shows two highs in pre-market, it may already uh, uh, resisted the market highs. Like say it's just for instance, I'll give you an example. Say this is a market high. We have 415. We have 409, 410, which we talked about. It may go back and form a high and then go back and retest market high before it goes down. That created 1, 2, 3. But it may do it here and then um, say that it's going to open below the yesterday's Friday's close and low. Okay, I'm I'm gonna end this video, babe. Okay, again, you guys stay safe out there, protect your family, and let's use what we have as an example to follow to uplift our neighborhoods. Okay, and I'm saying with unconditional love, all our neighborhoods need to be reflected off of what we do for one another. We invest in one another. I gave you, if you go back and look in there, you'll see there was, I think it was 20 stores in 20 restaurants, 20 stores, local businesses that they were still able to thrive on, but they invested in, into their community, not developing HOAs. They developed community active where everybody was being prosperous. That's why they call Black Wall Street. That is, again, I will always repeat this, that is compounded interest from taking digital into reality. This is what my company is going to be formed. I'm going to take digital and I'm going to make it reality. I'm going to do if I got 10 acres, 40 acres, whatever, I'm hoping that we can network together and someone can hold the vision and see the direction of what my family is trying to shoot for. Okay. Another note, as we get in, I might start to um, do and hold a conference at either the stadium that my son Steve has partnered up with to hold IFL leagues plays in. We might be able to hold a seminar where I mean, just traders just come in and within in that week we'll trade, and I'll be able to share everything. We're just Saturday. Everybody just come in, just put in a comment and say, "Hey, I'll be interested. I'll be interested." If I get enough people to do it, then we can host it. If you think this is relevant enough, for you to come in and just sit there by me outside of my Zoom. I just like meeting people. I just love people, babe. Okay. And you are my people. You are my babies. And plus, I don't have to just keep talking to my puppies. Hey, let me stop rambling. I love you and stay safe.